So next we're going to be looking at the compressor for the 99 Nissan. Again, this one's part number 6512040 by GPD. With some decusant in there. And it has a label on the package here. I'll zoom in so you can hopefully read that. So hopefully that's true. We're going to take a look at the pulley. It's got a 6-rib pulley here. And it comes with the clutch. I'll get you a diameter on that. It's about 135 millimeters or so from the inside part there. And it's got the got a sticker here. Also says it has 6.7 oil, and it's got connection here for the single blade connection there for the clutch. I'm going to be testing that in a minute. And here's the port with the, these are labeled S and D for suction and discharge. I guess that's the low pressure side, that's the high pressure side. So when you, after it's installed, you remove this plug here, and that's where you would connect the Freon cables up. And it bolts to the engine with these 4 holes, these 4 mounting holes here, and these are 90 millimeters. So I just wanted to mention something about the clutch here. You've probably heard this noise when you turn the air conditioner on. You hear a strong click like that, and then you also notice the engine RPM changes. Sometimes they will go up, sometimes down, depending on the car and the adjustments. And so that's what's happening is when that clutch engages, it's adding more of a load on the engine because it's transferring the rotation of this pulley into the pump when that draws in. Basically, this is an electromagnetic clutch, and I'll show you it's just operates on 12 volts, and I'll show you how it works here, the wiring. You see it's got one simple connection. It goes down through here, and into the back of that plate there. That's where the electromagnetic coil is. And you can also see there's a, on that same assembly, let me see if I can zoom. So you can trace the wiring of the single blade. Goes through this strain relief here and down into the back here. You can see it go into the plate right in there. And then over here you can also see there's a wire that comes out of this plate. It's a just a solid conductor wire, and it's riveted to this black plate here, and it exits right here out of the coil housing. And so that you can test, like if you get a bad ground, you might be able to check it here if your clutch quits working. But those are basically the two connections. It's a connection there that actually grounds to the clutch, or